Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your server on Discord, like how you can change the name and also the picture as well. So press this button here and go to server settings, and here's where you can change the server name. You can name it anything you want, basically maybe it's like a Disney fan club or something like that. And I'm just going to reset it though because I don't want to change it, but you can also upload the profile picture for it. So select upload image and select any image that you want. I am going to insert this image of my character, for instance, and press apply, and I'm going to press save changes. And maybe I should rename it. It is pretty long, but here the image will be changed and the server name will be changed as well. Make sure you have the permission to do it. Maybe you're an admin or you are the owner of the server, or else you can't change it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!